Welcome to this guided meditation for mental clarity. This meditation is designed to assist you with alleviating mental fatigue and mental stress. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath. As you breathe in, feel the cool air enter your nostrils, and as you breathe out, release any tension or stress. Now bring your attention to your body. Start by focusing on your feet. Imagine a warm, soft light surrounding them, releasing any tightness or discomfort. Slowly move this light up your legs, through your knees, into your thighs. With each breath, let this light relax every part of you. Feel it flow into your hips, lower back, and stomach. Breathe deeply into these areas, allowing the light to soothe any tension. Continue this process as the light moves into your chest, up through your neck, and into your head. As you focus on this warm, relaxing energy, allow your body to sink deeper into calmness. Shift your attention now fully to your breath. Notice the rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to the breath. This is your anchor, your point of clarity. Each breath in brings fresh energy and focus. Each breath out releases distractions and mental fog. Inhale deeply through your nose, and as you exhale through your mouth, mentally repeat the word clarity. With each breath, you are drawing in mental clarity, and with every exhale, you are letting go of confusion or mental clutter. Now imagine standing in a vast open field on a bright sunny day. The sky is clear and the air feels fresh and pure. This is a space of total mental freedom. As you stand in this space, feel how light and open your mind is. Thoughts that have weighed you down dissolve into the air around you, leaving only the calm expanse of this clear sky. Visualize any thoughts or worries as clouds. Watch them pass by, drifting across the sky, but do not chase them. They move on their own, and soon your sky becomes clear again, symbolizing your inner mental clarity. Now focus on your third eye, the point between your eyebrows. Imagine a soft, glowing light emanating from this space. This is your center of intuition and clarity. With every breath, feel this light grow brighter and stronger, cutting through any fogginess or mental fatigue. As the light shines, it clears your mind, allowing you to see everything with fresh, focused eyes. Repeat silently and slowly to yourself. I am clear. My mind is open. My thoughts are aligned. I am clear. My mind is open. My thoughts are aligned. I am clear. My mind is open. My thoughts are aligned. I am clear. My mind is open. My thoughts are aligned. I am clear. My mind is open. My thoughts are aligned. I am clear. My mind is open. My thoughts are aligned. I am clear. My mind is open. My thoughts are aligned. Let this affirmation resonate within you as the light of clarity fills your mind. Now begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Slowly deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling yourself grounded and centered. With each inhale, remind yourself that this mental clarity is always accessible to you, even in the busiest of moments. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the clarity and peace you've cultivated with you into the rest of your day. Take a final deep breath, letting the sense of mental clarity fill you. You've created space in your mind for focus, peace, and direction. Carry this feeling forward, knowing that whenever life becomes overwhelming, you can return to this place of inner calm. Thank you for joining this guided meditation for mental clarity. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.